Right now, dozens of Black faith leaders are expected to gather in Brunswick for today's testimony in the trial over the death of Ahmaud Arbery. We heard from two pastors who are joining the hundreds who are headed to Brunswick, Georgia. Both of them really wanted to emphasize that they're not going to make trouble. They're going to lend spiritual support to Arbery's family and to the community during this time.
It is not a march. It is not a rally. It's not a protest. We're going to offer our prayers. There's a family that is grieving who has lost an innocent son, and so we're standing in priestly responsibility to let their family know we're lifting up their arms and we're showering them with love.
We want to make sure we are there, our presence is there, if we can't do anything else. We don't have no armies, we don't have no weapons, we're not the police, but we can be there, and we all should be there in support of the family.
Okay, so how did we get here? We've seen this before, right, during the civil rights movement, but this is in response to one of the defense attorneys saying that he didn't want to see any more Black pastors in the courtroom after Jesse Jackson and Reverend Al Sharpton were there. Meanwhile, the man who shot and killed Ahmaud Arbery is back on the stand testifying today. Travis McMichael says Arbery's demeanor struck him as a suspicious person when he pulled up beside him in his pickup truck, but he says Arbery did not threaten him in any way. According to Travis McMichael, neighbors had indicated that something had happened down the road and he wanted to ask Arbery about it. But when he told Arbery the police were on the way, he says Arbery started to run. McMichael is one of 3 men on trial for murder. 11 Alive is committed to covering this trial from start to finish. We are streaming it on our 11 Alive YouTube channel and posting the big developments for you on 11alive.com.